plan is in tatters as to how we're going to do this. So we're going to have to sort of reinvent the wheel again.
So this is the fun of DIY bodgery.
So this is another day and another piece of scrap. So today's project is to remove this exhaust, lay it all out, and then see what we need to make up the exhaust pipe. It's got a hole. Okay, so we found the main culprit, which is a big hole on the downpipe. Looking at the rest of the exhaust, it's not faring too well, to be honest. It does need some work and replacement. And as we come further around, we've just got loads of tiny holes here as well, going off to a rather scabby tailpipe. So the plan now will be to remove all of this. The exhaust is off. It's not in a very good condition and there's a lot of work to do to make up a new one. What I've actually achieved this morning is I've taken the van off the road because it can't go back on the road.
Well, yeah, but we knew it was going to be off the road for a week.
A week's optimistic. Now you know I've got a hole in the downpipe.
Oh, it's actually in the downpipe.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, where else would it be?
Where else?
I thought it was on this.
No. It's on the downpipe. It's on the bit in front of the cat. My plan. Because we can't get it to weld up the hole, I'm going to go for chemical metal. That is going to have to be fixed in situ. The cat, I don't think we've got the facilities to remove.
Basically then sleeve, cat, sleeve, new silencer.
Yeah.
And then we just got to work out from where the silencer ends, how you're going to bend it round to come out the side.
Yeah.
Now, how about the flexi stuff?
Oh, you know, you read my mind. That could be flexi, couldn't it? That would make life very easy for us. Oh, that was noisy.
Right, the plan is silencer, flexi exhaust pipe, and clamp to see if this is going to work. Maybe. What could possibly go wrong then?
It'd be good.
Oh,
but I must point out,
yeah,
this is a muffler for our American counterparts.
okay.
They may be watching this.
Yeehaw. Let's give this a go. Right, so we know this fits. Like,
how snug is that?
wow.
All right. Okay.
There is a terminology, but I don't think it's good for YouTube.
There's a degree of play.
There's
There's a tolerance there, isn't there?
There's a bit of a tolerance, yeah.
But it will
clamp up. It may.
Very well. Right.
Guys, how is that possible?
Or multitasking.
No.
What?
Fit.
Yeah. You got two different size nuts. You spanner. How have you done that?
I don't know.
So that bit's, is that tight?
Yeah, it won't come off. He's
Oh,
not
wow.
going anywhere. So
it actually crimped up the flexi pipe.
yes. So I think what we'll do when we
So we're
get
done.
round to doing it, we'll take this off. We'll slide it up again here, so that means it's already been crimped that side. Put loads of putty in.
Yeah.
And then crimp it up. We should have a tight spot here, a tight spot there. We have a winner.
So what we're saying is exhaust finished.
Yes.
So we'll be done in time for tea and buns.
Yes. Or maybe late lunch.
Tea.
Or
Dinner.
Sunday.
Sunday morning.
Sunday roast. Because it is Saturday. We've got plenty of time.
But what we're saying is, in principle, that's it, finished.
We know that fits with more gum, and then it's just a case of working out how much of this we need.
Yeah.
It's all flexible, as you can see,
Yeah.
to come out the side of your van.
And then work out how to hold this onto the bottom of the van,
Yeah, how
because the
to mount
brackets
that
we
in.
have aren't in great shape.
No, so we need to work out what we're going to do Yeah, so fingers crossed.
Our plan to fit this tailpipe has gone a bit awry, as we've got a huge tolerance here, and there's no way on God's earth that's going to crimp down to fit.
No.
That is a 3-inch crisp holder.
There are other generic crisp holders available.
So we want something that's 3 and a bit inches to sleeve over this.
Or go inside.
Or go inside.
It looks like we're doing a shop trip.
Okay, so we're once again off to the purveyor of spare parts. We're after various exhaust clamps, bits of pipe, tail trims, generally just bits to finish this project off. Yeah, to be fair, the part of this project I thought would be really easy, mate, has turned into a total nightmare. And the bit I thought was going to be our Achilles heel, we've already done.
Yeah. It's just simple, isn't it?
All we're doing now is spending like, well, the best part of an hour tearing across town.
All for a bit of pipe.
All for a bit of pipe. A bit of pipe. If only we had a lathe.
Oh yeah, and a fully equipped workshop.
And a 4-poster ramp.
And if people start subscribing and getting their friends to subscribe,
we might, one day.
One day you could help us get to that point of less stress.
And at that point, this is to our viewer,
yeah.
At that point, you may not just be watching a load of dosh of us driving around.
Yes, so subscribe, you tell
might
your
actually
friends.
See something you want to watch.
Yeah.
So it's your fault.
Yeah, thanks for watching, subscribe. Oh,
we're of course stopping for a bite to eat.
Totally healthy option, it's going to be vegetarian. Oh yeah, can I have the double quarter-pounder meal, please? See, told you I was going to give a healthy option.
You had Diet Coke.
Exactly.
You had a double cheeseburger Whopper thing.
You said Whopper. Yeah, and the ice is healthy. There's no calories in ice. And I believe the quarter pounder has lettuce.
And a gherkin.
And a gherkin. Yeah, don't forget the gherkin.
Which you'll take out.
And isn't potato a vegetable?
Yeah, but that's carbs.
Yeah, we need that for the amount of exercise we're going to do in a minute. It's healthy, it is.
Okay.
Tell your kids.
Say goodbye to our viewer.
Yeah, the one. Bye.
Bye-bye, viewer.
Yeah.
Well, we're back at the workshop, so our mission now is to convert all of this into an exhaust. Chris is currently under here removing part of the old bracket.
Good God.
It's going well, as you can see. You can't say that on YouTube. Chris, the spanner is in the back of the van. I can't actually get to the back of the van.
I can get out of this place. I can get out on this van.
Okay, the exhaust is on. Chris and I have done a sterling job of fixing up a temporary to permanent fix.
So that's the exhaust pipe fixed.
So that blub 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 it had was the big hole in the downpipe.
Yes. So you thought you had a nice throaty V8 sound, and what it was a hole in your downpipe.
So now I've blocked the hole up in the downpipe.
Yes.
It now sounds
like
you
it's
did before.
Yes. Yeah. So now it's quiet and reserved. Refined. Reserved.
That can't be refined as American. In a future episode, we might just take the muffler off.
A straight pipe it.
Just put a straight pipe in. To hell with them.
Yes. Oh well, back to the kettle.
Well, we've got the exhaust on. It doesn't blow. It sounds
boring.
Yeah, it sounds boring. It sounds really quiet.
It is. Yeah.
It solved all the blowing problems, but we were hoping that it would actually sound like a V8 at the end of this project. And to be fair, it sounds like a Prius.
It does.
Actually, it sounds like a Prius.
Which is fine if it was a Prius. Unfortunately, it's a V8. That sounds like a Prius. Now,
it sounds very refined. which is not a word I've ever used to describe the van before.
It's disappointing to say the least.
Can I be honest? I'm gutted.
Yeah.
Absolutely gutted. So plan B may be to remove the silencer completely.
And drill lots of holes. It sounds better with holes.
Anyway, thank you for watching this episode of Another Piece of Scrap. Like and subscribe, and tune in next time when we might actually have a degree of success.
But at least we got it fixed.
Until next time, see you again. Thank you for
Bye.
watching.
Cheers.